Hello girls, in this video we will learn to create the relationship, query, advanced filter and export the file. First, we have to establish the relationship. We have to make two tables. When we start the database, you have seen that it gives one record and it gives one table at the same time. But to create the established a relationship, we have to add one more table. For that, we use the create tab. Using the create tab and the table option give you one more table to design. After adding the table, use the design view and add the field name and their data type. After adding all the name, you have to save it. Similarly, for the another table, use the design view, design the table, add the field name and save it. After designing, we open it to use the add the data. You can see data is added. We add the data in both the table. This is your marks information and this is your student information. Now we will see the next step. First we see the advanced filter. Advanced filter is used to apply multiple criteria in the same table. Okay, advanced filter. Look, when you see the advanced filter, it will give you a window like the query, but you can work only with the single table. We can apply the criteria. You can see it is given. See, criteria is given in the one and or is used for the multiple criteria, you know. And when we set the criteria, keep remember that everything should be set in different row. When you will add the more condition in the different row, you can see. And after that, you have to save it. You have to save it. After add the condition, you have to save it in the right area. It will give you option to save the query. After that, it will give you the output like this. 145 admission number, math in 75 and English 84. All the criteria are matched. This is the advanced filter. Now we will see the relationship. And the query using the external, using the create tab. Using the create tab, relationship option. It gives you both the table to add. First we select the table and add the table. Again select the new another table and click on add. After adding all the table, we close this dialog box. Now hold the primary key field and move to the another field. Look, it will give you a dialog box. We click on the create option. You can see relationship has been established. Now we have to see the query. For the query, we use the query design, create tab and the query design. Using the query design, it will give you the same thing. You have to add the table. You know query window is divided into two pans, right pan, top pan and the bottom pan. Bottom pan is the design grid you can show and the top pan displays the selected table. Now it will give you all the field name. When you select the field name, this row will be automatically filled. You can see criteria. Suppose we add the criteria admission number 111. Now for the next condition, we have to use the next column. Suppose we want to see the name, not father's name, only the student name. See, this is also filled, but this criteria we will set in or column. Okay? Suppose we have to see the name Yuvraj. Done. Now for the next criteria, again use the different row. Suppose the English marks. We want to see the English marks. Don't set value in the same row. It should be in the different row. Suppose I set 84. Done. There are 3 conditions from the different tables. After that, we go to view and the data sheet. You can see it is displaying all the information. 1111 the admission number. Name is Yuvraj and we have stored the marks in the different tables. So it is showing 84 also. This is called query. Using that we can find the information from the multiple table. Now one thing is left, that is the export file. First we select the table. This is our table. Now we go to create tab and the report option. Clicking on report, the report had been generated. You can see date and time, everything is displaying at the top. Now we have to export it in the Word file. To export the file, we go to view tab and the print. After that, we select more and the Word option. Clicking on browse, we can set the location. It is stored, student info, and click on save button. Now we will locate a path. Now we will locate the file. We can see it is showing in the document. We have set the location document, so it is showing in the document. This is exporting the file in MS Word. You can see this. Thank you.